Hey there, Roku users. Frustrated by your TV's sudden black screen? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix my Roku TV black screen issue to bring your screen back to life. Whether you're dealing with a simple connectivity problem or a stubborn internal issue, we're here to help you troubleshoot and solve the problem step by step. Sometimes a black screen can be as simple as a power issue. First, ensure your Roku TV is properly plugged into a functional power outlet. Check both ends of the power cable. Make sure the TV side and the wall outlet side are securely connected. If the power block is removable, try a different one. A faulty power source can prevent your TV from starting up correctly, leading to a black screen. A loose or faulty connection can also cause your Roku TV to display a black screen. Verify that all HDMI cables connecting your Roku to other devices are secure. You might try unplugging and replugging them to ensure a proper connection. Additionally, switch to a different HDMI port on your TV, as the current port may be defective. This can help determine if the issue lies with the port itself. Sometimes the problem might be as simple as selecting the wrong input source. Use the TV remote to cycle through the available inputs, HDMI, AV, or component, in case you're on the wrong one. Go to the input settings on your TV and make sure you're selecting the correct option for the devices you're using. If your Roku TV is still not responding, a soft reset might do the trick. To perform a soft reset, unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait about 60 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn on your TV. This procedure helps in discharging residual power and resetting the internal circuits, often solving black screen issues without causing data loss. If all else fails, a factory reset can restore your Roku TV to its original settings and fix persistent black screen problems. To perform a factory reset, locate the reset button on your TV. It's usually found near the HDMI ports. While the TV is on, press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds using a paper clip or similar tool until the TV restarts. Keep in mind that this will erase your settings and installed channels, returning the TV to its factory state. Dealing with a Roku TV black screen can be frustrating, but with these steps on how to fix my Roku TV black screen, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue yourself. Often the solution is as simple as checking your connections or performing a reset. If your screen remains black after trying these methods, it might be time to contact Roku support for professional help or consider a hardware issue. Remember to regularly maintain your device and update your firmware to minimize such issues in the future. With a bit of patience and the right approach, you'll be streaming your favorite shows and movies again in no time.